They try to frame me for the pictures I paint to cry insane. But I won't let them change me. I'll remain forever remain.
Hey, they didn't think I would do it, but I did it. Really having this shit, really winning. Was times that I thought I'd forever be sinning and spending whatever to stand on the business. But God bless the game, did it all but a sin. All the shots they let off, but they ain't hitting. All the shots we let off, they ain't mentioned was hitting. Go ask why he's fighting them limping. Never change, I'm the same as just in me. The only thing changes is the pay for my video. Can't forget about the diamonds and chains on my pendant was starving, but now we each stay for a living. If we ever fell out, you was fake or a beat. Niggas quick to switch sides, don't be standing on shit. But yet I'm the biggest, ain't changing my clique. Rep to 6 disrespect and get put in that dick. I came up off a rapping, no prices for bricks. $1 million combos out to eat with my stick. Big out bows, the condos, letting lows go for 6. Brand new Glock with my little bro, shit came with a switch. In the list, how you niggas gon' die for that shit? Let them make it for months, hurt my pride a little bit. When they ride, make his whole family cry for that shit. I'm the same, I ain't letting shit sliding. I'm in every word that I said, I put this on the seat. I'm the same nigga thug from the cell to the bridge. Better ask about X, matter of fact, come and see how this rap shit help mean nothing to me. Hey.
I won't let them change me. I'll remain forever remain.
They say X when it changed probably cause I got rich. I ain't hurting my kids, they ain't wanting for shit. They say X when it changed probably came from a bitch tried to hit, now I'm up and they all on my dick. They say X when it changed probably came from a nigga I fuck with, but couldn't stand on 10 with the game. I come all of these folks get to say the X change. I'm the same and I'm standing on 10 with my name. Hey.
I won't let them change me. I'll remain